we are the winner of Amazing Race!
Hi, I'm Amrita. I'm from Singapore. I study at SMU, Singapore Management University, and I've been having a really good time at ITB Bandung. I made a lot of friends from Indonesia as well as all over the world, and I would really recommend coming here for a very meaningful summer. And we have had a lot of programs as well as community visits, and I've been able to learn a lot about sustainability. So come here for a good summer.
Hey everyone, I am Edric Luis G. Ato, and I am from the Philippines, from De La Salle University. I am studying mechanical engineering, and I am here at the ITB Bandung AUN Summer Camp. One very core memory that I have here is that we visited a lot of places, especially the Chigondewa. We went to a sustainable city and a place where they use plastic waste and turn them into something even better.
Hi everyone, my name is Mo. I'm from Thailand, Mahidol University. Right now I'm joining AUN ITB Summer Program. And more than that, we also like exchange our culture to each other when we spending time together. Like I learned a lot of new words from Laos, Cambodia, Myanmar and Malaysia, something like that. So everyone, next year let's join the program at ITB. Don't miss the chance to make a new friend from other country and also learning about the new kind of knowledge.
Hi everyone, my name is Veer. I'm from Suparnabhumi University, Laos. And now we are in ITB Bandung, and officially I really love how Bandung have many stories. Like for example, ITB itself, we have when they built it, it's really long time, very old institute here. And I will highly everyone to participate this summer camp for the next year. You will see a lot of you will get a lot of incredible experience here in ITB and also Bandung and also Indonesia.
Hi, my name is May from Thailand, from Mahidol University. So today we have a hiking. It's really beautiful view here, and then after this we will plant a tree. So that's really good event, and let's see how gonna go in after this. I think it's really good because nowadays our nature is destroyed from a lot of humans. So today I think it's a good chance for us for plan for health the nature together. Follow the SDG.
My name is Solomon Jalang, a Czech. I'm an international student who is currently studying in Universitas Negeri Semarang, Central Java. I come from South Sudan in East Africa. That's my country of origin. Well, today is a fun hike. We had the opportunity to hike a mountain, although not so tall, but at least the feeling and the interaction were gorgeous. We also had to come to the top of the mountain where actually the view is amazing. You could be able to see an interactions of 2 to 3 mountains almost in a close range. But you also have the view of the down city and also the upper city, which is the part of Bandung. So the activity was really fun-based and interesting.
Hi, my name is Shakira. I'm from University Brunei Darussalam, and I'm from Brunei Darussalam. Yeah, we don't really have a high hiking site in Brunei. We don't really have mountains. So yeah, I like it, yeah.
AUN Summer Camp goes to Gelis Mountain, Indonesia!
Hello! Hi, I'm Lynn from NUS Singapore.
สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Gugik from Thailand.
Xin chào, I am Lam, or you can call me Banana, I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, so we think you should join the program because it's really fun, enriching, and everybody's just really, really nice. It's really nice to meet people from all over the world and from different backgrounds. And also you get to really explore a different place. Like Bandung is really a wonderful city.
Yeah, and I think this is my first time to go to abroad, and I feel enjoyable to visit here, and I love Bandung.
You should join because we all have like cute.
Hello, my name is Mo. I'm from Myanmar. I'm from University of Economics. I'm studying the public administration in my university. This is my first time to join this kind of summer camp. This summer camp is so fantastic, and most of the community provide me the special meal, also provide a lot of things or requirements we need, and they're so friendly the most thing.
Hi everyone, I am Riela Neves Sison, a second-year mechanical engineering student in De La Salle University, Manila, Philippines. This summer program taught me what innovation is beyond geographical boundaries, that whatever our background is, whatever language we speak, the ASEAN community thrives in collaboration, in creativity, and in passion. As a mechanical engineering student, ITB's laboratories and facilities left me in awe.